Alright, today's project is we're going to remove the front axle, which is a bear of a project. But I'm just so tired of that Rockwell axle leaking. I need to replace all the seals. I replaced all the seals just 3 years ago, but already the boots are cracked and spilling out guts, and yeah, just needs to be done again. So we're going to take that front axle out. This is a fun job because it's very heavy, svelte, very svelte. So these beautiful wheels were made by Stasworks, custom made for the T-Rex, one of a kind. They're aluminum beadlocks, and what you got to remember with Rockwells is that they have left-handed threads and right-handed threads. Boyce, on their axles, they put these nice big R's, so that's right-handed thread. On the other side, you have left-handed thread, so don't forget to do that. First and foremost, we have to remove the limiting straps. Now I've torn 4 limiting straps on this vehicle, so I finally went to cable, made my own, and they seem to work pretty good. And that's where you disconnect them. Now on to the control arms. Now these kits from Boyce are really nice. They're well machined. You just put on this plate back here that mounts up to the existing bolt holes, and you've got your Wilwood calipers up front, and you have a different, more heavy-duty calipers in the rear. But yeah, I love these Boyce kits. They're awesome. So right now, we're just going to take off these calipers and hang this caliper up so that we can finish removing this axle. T-Rex looks kind of funny hanging up there in the air. Now that we got the brake calipers off, we're going to start taking the steering apart, and also take off the hydraulic steering. And then we'll work on the suspension control arms. Problem with trucks like this is you need big, stupid, heavy tools like this. It's a good workout. I recommend it for anybody who wants to build up some bulk. And then voila! You have the axle out from underneath the T-Rex. Of course, in this video it looks like it just took a few minutes, but no, it's taken me most of the day to get the brake lines and everything undone. And of course these axles are stupid heavy, so we had to use a tractor and a forklift to get it here in the trailer, and it barely fits. That thing is a pig. Heavy duty. Don't think I'll break it, but hey, it's heavy. Alright, tune in next time when we put it all back together and then go test it out.